Affected by many factors, the orbits of GPS satellites can experience some movement, while the orbital movement can affect the GPS receiver's calculation of position. So GPS can't ensure accuracy for every task, and all bait boats can only approach the target within a certain probability range. Despite some products being equipped with high-cost satellite receivers, they still cannot guarantee 100% precise positioning. In industries with high GPS positioning requirements, real-time kinematic is used to reduce deviations. Surveying workers will first determine a fixed base station as a reference, and then hold a mobile rover station. When the GPS of the rover station shifts, the base station will correct it in real time. However, this technology is very expensive. Ripton uses software algorithms to help users correct satellite deviation without incurring additional costs. If you want to maintain GPS accuracy within 50 centimeters at any time and location for your CatchX Mini GPS, follow the next steps. Turning on the bait boat. Let it still for 2 minutes until the satellite count stabilizes at 20 or more and no longer fluctuates. Place the boat in the water. Set some task spots you need on the map. Return the boat to the bank. Place the boat on a level, open space where it sits comfortably. Choose the deviation correction button. Click the Create a Reference Point button. This spot will be your reference point, and it's crucial to get it right, because it's like the base station of real-time kinematic. After creating the reference point, you will notice a target graphic centered on the boat. You may observe that the boat icon moves slowly over time. Don't worry, this is just the result of the satellite repeatedly locking in. You can think of it as an observation station, providing real-time updates on its accuracy. Typically, you will encounter the following situations. When the boat icon is within the green circle of the target, you can proceed with the task. If the icon enters the blue or orange circle, starting the task without deviation correction will result in a positioning deviation of about 2 meters. If the icon is outside the circle, it indicates that the deviation exceeds 2 meters. During the 10 seconds before placing the boat in the water, if you observe that the boat is not within the green circle, simply click the Fix the Deviation button. You will see the boat icon corrected to the target position, which is your initial reference point. After fixing the deviation, you can start the mission. Return the boat. Place it at the reference point. At this point, the boat icon will appear within the green circle. Occasionally moving into the blue-orange circle is normal and indicates excellent satellite signal reception that day. However, if the boat icon appears outside the circles, it means that the satellite signal is weak that day. There are 3 solutions. You can change the reference point, leave the bait boat stationary to load satellite data, or set the reference point in the water.